Life does not only start with birth and end with death. Lots of struggle and experiences every life is going through and will continue till eternity. These words describe the philosophy of a simple life led by the great visionary leader as well as the creator of modern Odisha in the independent India, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab. In the year 1942 to 1945, it's during Quit India movement headed by Mahatma Gandhi. Here, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab writes the glorious history of his motherland Odisha and thereby plans the territory of the independent Odisha state. Young Hare Krishna was the grandchild of the landlord of Agarpada, Sri Jagannath Mahatab. He was born and brought up in the maternal family amidst richness, decorum and discipline under the guidance of his father Krishna Chandra Das. He was tallest among the tall politicians of his age group during the initial years of the post-independence era of development and politics. After 1946 election poll, Sri Mahatab became the Prime Minister of Odisha and was designated as Chief Minister after independence. His most crucial contribution to independent India was his work in merging the 26 Odia-speaking princely states with the Indian Union, a process which began in 1946 when elections for the provincial legislative assemblies were under the aegis of the British colonialists. He tenaciously worked to bring about the merger and ultimately succeeded in giving Odisha its present shape and structure. The most visible work by him is the great Hirakud Dam on the river Mahanadi. Dr. Mahatab recognized the need of industrialization in the state of Odisha, as the state is rich in mines and other raw materials required for the establishment of different industries, and the laborers from Odisha are traveling to other states to live and work under unhygienic conditions. The Hirakud Aluminium Company was established by Dr. Mahatab so that the power produced from the dam could be utilized and people nearby could get employment and the people of that area could be benefited both socially and economically. Dr. Mahatab was a far-sighted politician. He played a very important role in shifting the capital of Odisha to Bhubaneswar. He established Kalinga Akhada and a stadium at Cuttack. Odisha Olympic Association was developed by him for further betterment of young enthusiast players of Odisha. He took the initiative to establish the broadcasting centre Akashvani Cuttack Kendra. Paradeep Port was his dream project. Dr. Mahatab's contribution to the literary renaissance of the state was significant as his role in his political upheaval of Odisha. He received the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 for the third volume of his well-known work Gaon Majlish. He was the founder-president of Prajatantra Prachar Samiti, a trust established in 1947 and published the Odia Daily, the Prajatantra. During his imprisonment in Ahmednagar Fort Jail, he wrote many novels. His vibrant nature and fearless attitude, with a heart full of compassion for the cause of Odisha, made the people of Odisha call him as Utkal Keshari, or the Lion of Odisha.